Well, he bataka me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jayden place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK race. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yo, sharp done. You know why? Little people use pencil. And big people use pen. Cause you say a picnic, your mistake them can rub up.
Yeah, man, now move settings nation. And no, we don't need no ladder. Now, welcome to the channel. Yeah, man, Jayden Chase, another one that we're gonna bring another exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I'm remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel, I'll already tell you. All I'm youth, them a star. Now it seems viewers and subscribers by all indication, Adiana Ashanti Palmer will be joining the ranks of Bella Hadid and Kendall Jenner in the fashion industry as an international model. We have to go discuss it. But first and foremost, we want to take a look on Vybz Kartel's son them. Yo, when them tell us that Iko wants to be a producer, people they take it light. People did feel like say it was just a gimmick. We have footage of them studying the craft, viewers and subscribers. Look on this to our one, they will continue the reasoning.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Viewers and subscribers, a substance over hype, a talent over talkings. Vybz Kartel's kids are the youngest music moguls on the island currently. And with one track to his accreditation, Iko Dan is now the youngest producer right here on the island. Now, viewers and subscribers, recently Vybz Kartel posted a picture of Adiana and tagged it and say, yo, she cutie. Ford Models link up. Now, viewers and subscribers, Ford Models is one of the biggest modeling agencies based in North America, founded over 75 years ago by Elaine Ford and Gerard W. Ford. Viewers and subscribers, this would be another major move to add to her growing portfolio while in her teenage years. Think about it. Me some people are talking about accomplishment. I know say as a parent, Vybz Kartel is definitely a proud father and somebody we have put things in place. We are establish a legacy where youth them can then build upon. And think about it. In a Kendall's case, with a Kylie Jenner's sister, it was the connections from their mother that got them into our linking with the right people, viewers and subscribers, and the rest was history. I think in a 2019 or in a 2020, I think I rather 2019, Kendall Jenner was the highest paid model in the world. Highest paid. And we talk about the fashion industry and a monkey money. And think about it, Vybz Kartel has already influenced the fashion industry locally. If the rumors are true, this would be another boss move, viewers and subscribers. And we definitely know that Adiana is interested in fashion. She already have her own clothing store and her own record label. Definitely going to be a female powerhouse where Jamaican women are concerned. May I tell you? And Caribbean and women worldwide are concerned. Because signing with an international modeling agency is an international move. Having a foothold in the fashion industry is priceless, viewers and subscribers. And that would mean Adiana could also take control of the reins of Vybz Kartel's fashion empire. Remember, whole heap of things in the works. From sneakers to t-shirts. No doubt, if marketed the right way, would that be another $1 billion industry for Jamaica. Worse if manufacture, or if the farmers chose to keep manufacturing here, even though you know the thing go normally a bit tight normally offshores, you know. But it would still be another major move where entrepreneurs are concerned. And yeah, the head office could have still there right here on the island. You know what I mean? And that would be something good for the island as well. Now there's also definitely a Gaza weekend, viewers and subscribers. The teacher is trending on all social media platforms at the moment. Countless releases. Yes, a new track with Lisa Hyper mixed and mastered and now ready for the earwaves, viewers and subscribers. It's out there now, a track where the people them anticipate from the day them start mention it and show we the cover art. Another Hustlers anthem by Vybz Kartel himself, viewers and subscribers, and that one is titled Every Hustler. I know every dancehall fan I look out for that track. Even the opposition, even the one them will claim say them not like Vybz Kartel, I know them I look out for that one. And we're gonna get the music video as well, viewers and subscribers. You know the production something go. No drop catch, cinematic production, and then a short sketch. I definitely want to not tell him what I feel about the track and the music video. Talk to me. Tell me what I feel about the news. Adriana and her fashion modeling career would definitely be a good look for not only her and her family and their legacy, but also for the island as well, viewers and subscribers. We always point out, whenever any Jamaican does it big on the international scale, it's a good reflection for our island. Now, little Vybz, little Addy, Ikodan, serious about the music, viewers and subscribers. Any artist we see focus on playing instruments, show us them have a true love and passion for music. Very few DJs can tell us that them can actually play an instrument. The only instrument them use are them vocals. Very few dancehall artists can tell us that them even tried to learn how to play an instrument or know how to play a musical instrument. This means that the youth them are gonna know how to read sheet music. Very few artists even know what the word sheet music is, and that's just the facts. No artists can look on a sheet of music and know how to give the vocals from there. Now I mean, I have to say big up the youth them. Little Vybz would say a thing. Him say you have to take the time to study the music. It is not just about a record certain songs. We need overs the music. Him say Vybz Kartel could have do that because of the vast knowledge of where him have about the music. Being raised in a time when music was at a stage where music is not at now. Know what I mean? And it's either you gotta do research or you were born during them time there. Know what I mean? So for all of who we're not born, you have to study it now. And him say pay attention to that aspect of the music. And this is the proof. And not just talk. Talent over talkings. Know what I mean? Now substance over the hype, viewers and subscribers. We see them over promote themselves recently, put out production, and then they know how marketing and production go. Then they know so you have to have good quality music for people show your music support. And them thing flop. Simple as that. Simple as that. Over market, over sell. Tell a bag of people say Ray will have the best. And when it put out, them I say but a shaking is this. And the support was not there. This is not easily done. You have artists who do it effortlessly. But this is not easily done. Not through them see Vybz Kartel do it. Not through them see some other artists do it. Them feel like say this is for everybody. No. You have to put in the work. And when you reach there, you reach there. Know what I mean? Big up the Palmers. The legacy is strong and well. Vybz Kartel also featured on Jesse Royal album as well. You can check it out. A track titled Rich Forever. And the legacy I speak. The youth them look like them go rich forever. Viewers and subscribers. Somewhere Jay-Z and Beyonce them would have said. Reminiscent that somewhere the Carters would have said. Talk to me in the comment section. We know how to feel about it, viewers and subscribers. Definitely a good look for music and entertainment. Definitely an exciting moment when we see it. Think about it and realize, say, alright, Ford Model or Ford Modeling Agency being, one of New York's biggest modeling agency. I say, alright, so be a good look. But I said the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent. And yes, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason and of course you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. You know how the something go. Yeah, man. Comment section open 24/7. But first and foremost, drop a like on the vlog and bust a share on the vlog. Drop a like, bust a share. Tell a friend for tell a friend, and this is how you do it. But check out the reasoning, check out the video simply by clicking share, and all of the available methods will pop up. Anyone is more convenient for you, bust a share. Comment section open 24/7 as stated. So drop your thoughts and comments and your opinions there. So I make we continue the reasoning from right there. You know what I mean? Young artists, of course, contact the IG page for the review. Talk to it. IG page for further details. Jayden_Chase_ just DM. We could know no reason about. And we'll continue the reasoning from there. Yeah, man, now move settings fam, and now we don't need none of that. My sentiments for you and yours, of course, gonna live, love, and prosper until we reason again.